Practice na po ito kanta guys ng title sa song is Too Much Love Will Kill You by Jobit Baldivino. So, na-kill na gid si Dugay na gid si Jobit Baldivino RRP sa iya ha. Too much love will kill you. Baka matulad eh. Basta Jobit Baldivino. 1, 2, 3, go. I'm just the pieces of the man I used to be. Too many bitter tears are raining down on me. I'm far away from home, and I've been facing this alone for much too long. Oh, I feel like no one ever told the truth to me about growing up and what a struggle it will be. In my tangled state of mind, I've been looking back to find where I went wrong. Too much love will kill you if you can't make up your mind. Door between the lover and the love you leave behind. You're headed for disaster, 'cause you never read the signs. Too much love will kill you every time. I'm just the shadow of the man I used to be, and it seems like there's no way out of this for me. I used to bring you sunshine. Now all I ever do is bring you down. How it would be if you were standing in my shoes. Can't you see that it's impossible to choose? No, there's no making sense of it. Every way I go, I'm bound to lose. Oh, yeah! Too much love will kill you, just as sure as not all. It's drain the power that's in you, make you plead and scream and crawl, and the pain will make you crazy. You're the victim of your crime. Too much love will kill you every time. Yeah, yeah. Too much love will kill you. I make your life a lie. Yes, too much love will kill you, and you won't understand why. You give your life, you sell your soul, but it has come again. Too much love will kill you in the end. In the end. Yan na muna guys. Nakapagod yung too much love will kill you. Ayan guys. Kasi makapatay kin siya kakanta.